Alright, we got our part all good to go. I looked inside of it. Decent enough penetration. I'm not going to worry about it, because you over weld in the inside of that and it's going to be pretty hard to grind that out. So we'll get this back on the bike and it'll live another day. Alright, let me get the camera over here where I'm not in the way. So our actual bolt is slightly bent, but I don't have one laying around and I don't really care. We have maybe a little bit of clearance in here just from one of the welds already, so I gotta look down here and see. So yeah, we should be able to clear it. So there's a spacer, and we'll figure out what I did with my socket for this. Everything on Harleys are either Allen heads or Torx. So, okay, we're running into a problem because our Allen wrench isn't long enough. So, okay, that's good. We got these here. Let's see, which one is it? It's going to be American sized, which is, yes, 5/16. Okay. You see how bent that thing is? I really should replace that. Anyway, for now, we'll just put it on there. We'll change it later. I just don't. What we're trying to do is get some leverage on it. Alright, we'll use that. Yeah, I refuse to lay down and cry about spilled milk. I've got to get this thing fixed, and that's all there is to it. I need to probably put a crescent on that. I can hold it still. It's going to be kind of hard to do. We got the exhaust in the way, kind of. Okay. I really wish I had a socket that would fit all the way down in there. I don't. I think what I'm going to do, I'll tighten it in and then see how it looks when it's in here. Should grab this and spin it back. It wants to move quite a bit. I don't like that. So I might have to put some Loctite on this. I think that's probably what's going to have to happen. So we'll be back. See, another problem too, this little set screw here, this whole piece moved. Alright, we got it. It's done.